Now, we're gonna begin the call. So now welcome back on to the next show. Today, now
I've been expecting Chidinma on the show.
Yes, so thank you. So I know so don't expect Chidinma since. Go they catch up now, but she don't do okay now.
See how you can't fit him. Oh my God! I want a designer or a model from GQ.
You know the funny part is you don't get anything with Chidinma where we no go fit him.
No, if he gets some.
And he get one Chidinma. He bless everybody with there around Chidinma.
He get some.
Wait, he bless everybody there around Chidinma. You don't see Chidinma manager. I don't know whether my manager be na your brother.
Nah, that charity. Okay.
Na your brother. Na your brother. Sorry, I say your manager, your brother. Everything which Chidinma they chop, and that guy body, they go. Everything which Chidinma they chop.
Explain yourself, because
if you see the guy from head to toe, he fat. Okay, some people they go.
I want the who liken him to somebody that will know.
And you don't get a word like
somebody you know.
Like Pasha's boss. The Pasha's boss is slim now. Princess Slim now. No, the guy, you know, say person go say, okay, in head, your head not is too fat, but na body go fat. This head from anything
okay,
in voice
fat from
even
top to
voice
bottom.
Fat. Every food which the man they chop.
No, but why him be like that?
Now you not see this one which the man can come too. Everything which the man they chop. See, now body they go. Only say I no one drag her come.
Who she be?
Charity. Who is Charity?
Charity, my friend.
Your friend?
My old-time friend.
Where una for meet?
Where una meet?
For school.
For school? Eh. Is she married?
No, she's not married.
Tata! I will see you. Anyway, our phone number is on Top TV. We say make una call us to talk to Chidinma, and then also tell us the things when you be say you believe say don't change for this country. To start with, the one where they very very obvious. That say we don't change president, and another one where they very very obvious to many people. That say light don't they day for inside the country. Things don't they better. People don't they complain. Say plantain self they even block for inside fridge.
And so they say government don't change. Pattern of corruption don't change too.
Exactly. People fear don't
go save man money well looking natural now. Wow.
Bam. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How is you, Ebuka?
I'm fine.
Are you with him, man?
With you, Leju.
Happy Independence.
Oh, yeah.
I wish you the same, my brother.
What will be that thing if you say don't change for the country?
It's only light I can see. It's only light.
Only light for now, Abi.
Yeah, but my side, they're sharing it in my side. Though. Some days I will see. Like today now, just about 30 minutes now, they bring it.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
But yesterday you get light.
For yesterday you get light.
I don't have light yesterday.
Day before yesterday, Nko?
Day before yesterday, they bring it in just 30 minutes. They took it.
Now only 30 minutes they give you light.
Yeah, everything. A lot of people is complaining. It's affecting their business.
Where do you stay?
Where you they stay?
I say that a lot of people say it's affecting them in the business.
Hey,
where you they stay?
I say at Ojo.
Ojo?
Near Alaba.
Badagry?
Ojo Alaba.
Alaba, Badagry area now?
Yeah.
You don't ask your Alaba brothers waiting. Why they go get light?
Talk to Chidinma.
Okay, Chidinma, my sister, how are you?
Ebuka, hi there. How are you there?
Fine. How was your things?
Fine, thank you.
Please, I want to confirm. Which state are you from?
I'm from Imo State.
Yeah, you are my sister.
Oh, are you from Imo State?
Yeah, from Oro.
Oh, nice to meet you, Ebuka.
Yeah, I'm so happy to you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to you.
You happy to her. Ebuka, thank you. You are so happy to you. I'm having Kayla as well. So good night.
You are happy to her?
You are happy to her. To where? Hello, good.
My brother.
Joy from Abuja.
Tell yourself.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, baby. I love your voice.
Thank you.
Have I heard it before?
Yeah, so many times.
Oh, yes. So many times in English.
Really?
No, how is you?
I'm very fine.
You're not sure whether you did fine?
I'm very fine. I'm very...
Credit.
Sorry.
Go buy credit. I'll move person phone. Hide for toilet. Call us. Hello? Emmanuel Green, have greatly missed the show. Miss KDK, I learned that the kiss with the flavor was a lie. Explain. Now this is what they say. Let's go for exam. The kiss with flavor was a lie. Explain. Explain.
It was a true, my brother.
Kuna kiss.
Oh.
Hey!
It's a big kiss.
So if you try with easy bit now.
Is it the artist now?
Okay, me an artist now.
You know the artist?
With a singer. No. I can sing. I'm a rapist.
No.
Yeah, I'm not rap.
You know, people want to know whether it's a big.
No, then kiss.
Kissed. No, now.
Oh, they want to know whether flavor was a big kiss. My brother, flavor was a big do anything. You don't give two guests, but it's a big kiss.
No, if it allow me to talk now.
Hello, good evening. Ingo, tell us.
Good evening.
Escape.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence to you too.
Now you call now. Why
you
your
are
voice
the
come?
one, there's another Joyce from Abuja.
I will say that one tush. This one is.
You know.
Will they hear you?
Nedu, to be sincere, the life that your people are enjoying is good luck that puts it.
Okay.
It's good luck regime that restored everything.
Okay.
Buhari just turning the whole country down around. They have not done anything.
Okay.
I want to speak to Chidinma.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Auntie, good evening, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
In fact, when we are Project Fem, I'm among the people that were voting for you every day, and I was happy you won.
Thank you very
More
much.
especially the day you played, you sang Onye Konwenu's song. The whole of my place, we are all hailing you. We are very happy. So that night, I was very happy for you, and I'm happy for your success.
Thank you very
much. And I pray that God will not allow you men to spoil you.
Like slavery.
Are you hearing me? I'm happy for you. I'm from Imo State, precisely.
Oh, thank you
and
very
I'm
much.
happy for you. And I pray that if you can help me sing that Onye Konwenu song this night, I would be very, very glad.
Madam, she go sing that for you.
I go sing that.
Okay.
I just enjoy your programs, and I'm happy. May God bless you all.
Oh, thank you, Madam Joy.
I want Chidinma to sing that Onye Konwenu song.
She go sing that.
No worries.
By fire, by force. We go back up. We go be video
I love
vixen.
you all.
We love you too.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Time not there for lick your ear. Hello from Lagos. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
August Sunday.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm hearing you.
Hello, I'm hearing you.
Okay. How are you people now?
How are you people now?
We are fine.
We are fine.
Hello. I can hear you. Okay.
Okay.
On my own side. Nothing have changed. Remain the same.
Things remain the same.
As of now, we don't have light.
We don't have light. Now. Yeah. In Igbo, Seba po. Una welcome back. Hello. Wow, I've been expecting Chidinma on the night show.
Again?
I love her die. Bless you, dear. Keep it up, Chidinma.
Thank you.
Now, do there is change this year, at least light day. Watching all that girl is
Sweet package.
watching all that girl is sweet package. What is it? Okay. Hey, happy birthday to Nigeria, our country. Greeting to us live from Italy. Okay. How Italy? How are your babe?
Anyways, I'm Ice Princess guy. Say, Katim, I help me tell Miss Kelly can say my love for her no get bearing. I swear.
Wow.
Katim, no time they do him go envy me that. How? Who are you? Me envy you, am I mad? And then happy independence. They do Katim, easy bit. Hola, I Chidinma. Give her hola too. I've been expecting Chidinma on the show. I love her. She don't hear now.
How many times?
Katim, my in-law, you look good. Nedu talks too much. Is it your talk?
I don't know.
Chidinma, keep it though. Chidi, keep it up. Good work. And maintain your focus.
Yeah.
Wish you success.
Successes.
From Jos, good evening.
Nedu, your guest day off.
Hello. Good evening, my brother. How is you?
Are you with me?
I am with the young one now.
My brother, you are looking sweet.
Hey!
You're sharp, though. Did that Chidinma where you never married? That get fit you.
Abio.
9 size, I think.
12 are the same size.
My brother, and we can collaborate.
Collaboration.
Edu.
One thing, Chidinma, when normally Chidinma, far. Mgbe nọ na ọmọdé Joshua, Chidinma ọgbara m akụkụ.
Ọmọdé akụkụ.
Ịma amụmụ anụ na ọmọdé Joshua na Adadi Agro.
Okay. You been done Chidinma, she not agree.
No, I know total. When I did that serious small now, but Chidinma na find get them. But that me I know, but thank God I can't go marry in themselves, Chidinma.
Oh, now you say you hold on, my brother. You don't implication yourself.
I don't know that bad.
You dey trip for him.
That time.
No. But you don't tell him.
Chidinma right from beginning, Chidinma na find girls.
No, my brother, I agree with you. You are guilty. You dey trip for him.
I said you are mistake.
She not can agree for you. You can't go marry another person.
I go marry them namesake. Okay,
now wait, don't marry him. Life better, Abi.
Oh boy, na 3 boys you don't throw away from you.
You don't fire. Pop. Ronaldo, star boy. Good night. Hello, good evening.
3 boys.
I'm a brother. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Let's go out my day.
How you doing? Chidinma, we're not gonna get time to talk to you. Tell people what you they work on now, what they ground now, what make they expect from you.
God.
For those who are following your top Instagram,
I don't know if you are not following her. I have been following her.
No, we they follow our
Now maybe I'm monitoring spirit.
Okay, right now they work on some singles before the year.
Okay, before the year.
Yes, singles backed up with videos. So not just singles, basically videos
With
before
videos.
before the year was done.
Okay.
You feature people inside these singles.
Yeah,
single.
one I feature Korede Bello.
One, Credibility.
Yes.
Used.
Una two resemble self.
Yes, I know.
You know, say, and they get the same hair
And
like
the hair
ECB.
again.
Una hair too.
You call it better than ECB.
Anyway, for those of now who follow Chidinma, her Instagram handle na Chidinma
She can
Ekile.
still come back.
Chidinma must come back now.
Yes.
Chidinma Ekile.
Because this is what we do today.
No, we're not. Now
No, this is the play.
Nigeria, Nigeria.
You're the play. Chidinma will still come back. Maybe next week or next 2 weeks, Chidinma will come back. Her Instagram handle for Instagram na Chidinma Ekile.
Yes.
But you changed it Twitter one time like that.
Yes, I changed it.
So what do you mean the new Twitter?
Official Miss KDK.
Official
Why?
Miss KDK. Evil
Miss
people.
KDK.
Miss KDK.
You know somebody go to say that now you are so named.
No, that song.
But people go just think say
Her
that.
surname is
And that
Ekile.
boy when he follow sing come, it comes sweat like him. They come sweat together, so the song come be sweetness. You know. So that is it. Anyway.
Find that music where Chidinma go sing. Onye ka win.
Okay.
Which means
Find them.
you not tell them the titles.
Na Ekwe.
Ekwe! Hey, where our microphone? No. Where that microphone stand?
I don't know. You know,
Hey,
the last
hey.
time I forget that microphone.
Hey.
And I'm, come on, get on the dance floor.
Take microphone.
Yeah, me.
Thank you.
We are your video vixen.
Oh, God.
Aya, give us. Aya, easy bit. Come
I
and
can't
do
feel like
video.
go to the song on there.
Aya, come on, do video vixen.
But wait till- okay, so no, so what is she go come sing now?
She gonna sing that now. You go there for front. Tell us. Give us move. One
No,
go
we
move.
go do. I'm like, you know, she wants it for project. You know how did they announce?
Mic.
Okay, now
And
you be
now,
the MC.
All right.
Come take
And now,
mic. Come take mic. Come take mic. Now you be Joseph Benjamin. Come.
Right, yeah.
Come and answer from here.
And now, introducing
There's-
our past winner.
You there backstage.
backstage.
Now
Yes.
backstage, be this.
Yes.
Nobody may see you.
And they warm up
You dey warm up.
And good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yo.
And now, performing Ekwe for the very first time on the studio
Woo.
is Chidinma Miss KDK.
No, I think the hype man. You know what I'm saying? Special ed. They go first come. Whoa. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Are you ready now?
Can't see that the video be saying.
Now we be video vixen.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
yes.
ready.
Ekwe. Ekwe oh.
Hey.
Your microphone now. You will be back up singer.
Ekwe.
They film it now.
Ekwe.
Film it now.
Hey.
Ekwe. Oh, ekwe.
Hey.
Ekwe.
Hey.
Ekwe. Aleti na bogu. Ekwe.
Ekwe.
Hey.
Iwe na basumu.
Ekwe.
Iwe na yanu.
Ekwe.
Iwe na bakwa.
Ekwe.
Bakonye na zigi.
Ekwe.
Onye fene uwe.
Ya biko wegbo ya. Asuka ti wegbo ti wegbo ya. Hey! Oyi wede iwe ya biko wegbo ya. Asuka Ekwe is coming to you now.
Easy, come give us
They
beat.
didn't spread it down.
No, they don't want to do remix now. But we're supposed to get beat.
Remix. Ekwe, we dey vex you now. We.
Yo.
You go where boy ya.
Yo.
Koso.
Yo.
Yeah, because so boy
Name,
ya.
Yo. Are you feeling it?
Yo.
Yeah, because
What's wrong with you?
Yo.
Yo.
Koso. Yeah, because so go ya.
Yo.
Only now we.
Hey.
We boy ya.
Yo.
Koso. I'm not even na kaka.
Yo.
Thank you for watching the next show today.
Woo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Thank you. God
Yo.
bless
That is how we
Yes.
Peace.
watch out. This remix is going to be on
WeTunes.
WeTunes because iTunes is filled up.
So, back, face the other side, make a face. So, KDKK start in the middle. You go do like this. You go do like this.
Oh yeah. Okay. We are going to do another of our song featuring Chidinma. Why he say? Why he be say for night, then they say suya. Why he be say na night, then they say suya. Why he be say na Friday, then they wear native. Why he be say na night, then they say suya.
Come on.
Why he be say na Friday, then they wear native.
Come on. Why?
I don't know. Good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.